Hi, I'm Natalia, and today we're going to be making polvorones. These are Mexican cookies of the dust. They're great with a cup of coffee. This is a family recipe. My grandma cut it down for my great-grandma, so we don't end up making 1,000. These are definitely a celebratory cookie, but can be used at any occasion. I had them at my quinceañera. My parents had them at their wedding. You can find them at funerals, all sorts of different instances where there's a large gathering. We're just going to whisk that all together. Now that all of our flour has been incorporated, we're going to take this and separate it into two. All right, next we're going to roll out one of our large balls, and I chose to use a heart-shaped cookie cutter today. This rolling pin is actually my great-grandma's. It used to be the top of a broomstick, and it's been passed down to me to make these cookies, 1/4 inch thick. And place those on a parchment-lined baking sheet. While they're hot, you can dip them in your streusel topping, and those are polvorones.